Look, I'm just going to be real with you. I'm one of those people who rolls their eyes at anything online that says free, especially Temu. So the first 100 times I saw these free gift videos, I assumed they were edited or staged, but people kept asking me about it. So I finally decided to take a full hour, try it on a fresh account, try it on my main account, test multiple codes, and here's what I found. Yes, the free gift is real in 2025, but only if you activate it with a working code. So here's the deal. The current working code is right here on the screen, and it's also in the description and pinned comment. I also threw in a few bonus codes because Temu rotates these pretty often. Now let me explain how it actually works. Temu does not randomly give free items to people. The free gift event only activates when you enter one of the current active codes into your app. Once you open Temu, scroll to free gift, tap it, and enter the code. That's when your progress bar appears. This bar is basically Temu saying, do a couple of quick interactions and we'll unlock your item. So you tap around, open a category, check a deal, browse a product. Each action fills the bar until it hits 100%. When it does, your chosen item becomes claimable. And yes, they actually ship it. I didn't believe it until I saw the confirmation myself. If you want to see for yourself, the code is on screen again. Everything else you need is below, and if you unlock something cool, drop it in the comments. I'm still annoyed that this actually worked.